Hi everyone, I'm Trinidad One. I'm 73 years old.
What did you feel after listening about energy tonight?
What my reaction to that question is I think this kind of energy is out of the question. It is already proven so many years, was founded in 1998, just like Ka mentioned, and so many testimonies have been given. And my testimony just a while ago, I drink a plain water, putting a drop of Scalavia. The pain in my neck and another pain coming from my back was eliminated and erased. And as of now, I'm feel fine.
Oh, wow, that's so exciting. So, do you think can give value to other people's lives?
Of course, it can give value, especially those who are bedridden and suffering from other kind of illnesses.
Okay, so can you recommend this to 10 other people to give value to their lives as well?
It is a must to everyone, especially now that so high that the prices of medicine, hospitalizations, and so forth and so on regarding the health, it's so skyrocketing, and this kind of products should be foremost.
Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation and thanks for listening to the presentation tonight. Thank you, Trining.
Thank you, Din.